What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at another one of David Hunt's listings. This boat is available for co-brokerage, so if you do want to purchase it through Galati Yacht Sales, feel free to reach out to us. If not, I will leave David Hunt's profile in the description down below, so click on that. You can see his full inventory, contact card, all of that, and he would be more than happy to answer any questions or help you get into this boat. Today we are taking a look at a 1989 Chris Craft 480 Catalina, and I know this boat is older, but it's been very well maintained, so I'm very excited to bring it to you. If you're looking to hit the loop and you don't want to break the bank, this boat will absolutely check all your boxes. So with all that being said, let's head down into the cockpit and take a look. One of the great things about a cockpit like this is it allows you to get down close to the water, which is really nice, makes getting on and off the boat really easy, and if you have a dinghy tow behind, makes getting into the dinghy really nice. This is a feature a lot of people look for because on most aft cabins without this cockpit, the back of the boat ends here, and so you're a good couple feet up off the water, and this allows you to get close down to the water, easy on, easy off. Anyways, with all that being said, let's take a look at what this cockpit's got in here before we head up onto the aft sun deck. We do have a transom shower here. Little bit of extra storage in there. Tie downs. You have bilge storage down here, as well as a transom door, and I will show the swim ladder here, or the swim platform with a swim ladder there. Let's pan around. You do have cable management over there, shore power hookup, and he does have one of these magma grills. Very nice. These things are much more expensive than you might think they are. At least they shocked me when I first saw the price on them. And you have your freshwater fill up there. Anyways, moving on, you can see we have a ladder about 4 steps up into the aft sun deck. Nice, big, beautiful aft sun deck. Plenty of outdoor living space. Enjoy those nice days. And it is fully enclosed with a hardtop, so you do get shade all day long. So you can see nice big sun deck back here, and I will show the hardtop and beautiful wood accents that look fantastic. I think it's just a lot of style. Chris Craft really knows how to build a beautiful boat. A couple steps up into the helm. Let me walk up front, we'll look at the bow, and then go up into the helm and then head down into the cabin, and that's how we'll do this tour. One step down into nice wide walkways, plenty of room where you can just walk normally. You don't have to side scoot all the way down. Nice tall rub rail, so you're not worried about falling off. Nice wide bow, plenty of space to hang out, lay out. You do have a space here for bow cushions. The rail goes across there and then it snaps down. So you can see the birds really like it too. Needs a little bit of a bath, but other than that, the boat's in great shape. It's got the anchor off, but he does have one on board. And then you have foot switches for your electric windlass. Let me flip you around so you can see how much bow space this boat has got. Great lines on it too. Like I said, Chris Craft really makes a nice boat. And then nice big windshields. And one of the very first boats I ever shot on this channel, it's actually one of the most popular videos on this channel, was a Chris Craft. Much different style, but you know we love our Chris Crafts. Our Chris Crafts. You know we love our Chris Crafts. Chris Crafts. All right, moving up into the helm. As you can see, it is fully enclosed all the way from the sun deck up to the bridge, so you can get protection from the elements 24/7, and you do have a nice hard top, so you don't have to worry about that canvas blowing away or anything like that. We have nice L-shaped seating, so your captain's not lonely up here. Nice bench seating. Lay down here and read a book while you are underway touring the Great Loop, and a nice padded sun bench here, as well as dinghy davit and a space for your dinghy. Needless to say, if you're looking for a boat for the Great Loop, those are features that you are going to want. All right, let's move up and take a look at the helm. It does have a Ferrono display here, as well as a Lowrance here. And then I will just do a nice pan across so you get an idea. This is a 1989, so you do get that nice classic feel. And all these wood accents are just absolutely beautiful. And taking a look out, this is your view from the helm. The lighting today is just harsh. harsh. Anyways, nice panoramic shot, nice panoramic views, visibility all the way around. All right, I think that is going to do it for the bridge. Let's head down into the cabin and take a look at everything the cabin's got to offer. 4 steps down into the cabin, and as you can see, you have beautiful panoramic views all the way around this boat. There's nowhere in this boat that doesn't benefit from the natural lighting in here. It is absolutely fantastic. We're going to start in the salon and then work our way around. As you can see, we have L-shaped seating here, and this is a pull-out couch, so this does turn into another berth, as well as a little bit of shelving here. One of the great things about this boat, and is a major item for a lot of people looking to do the Great Loop, is the interior helm, the downstairs helm. So on those cold winter days, or those hot summer days, you can't steer the boat from down here. You do have full controls here. Just going to give you a nice painting shot around here, let you check it out. Hopefully that lighting is not too harsh, because for me, I can barely even see the camera. And this is what your view from the interior helm looks like. 3 steps down into the galley, so let's go down there and take a look. Nice big mirror makes it feel a lot larger and roomier in here. Looking at the dinette, you can fit 4 people in here, no problem. It is all the way around, so you can see the back there has extra seating. And you have some extra storage back behind this sliding door here, so you can put your cups, bowls, plates there, set the table easily. Well, you're cooking up a meal in the galley. Looking at the galley, we have a full-size fridge, which is very nice, especially if you're going to be doing the loop. You're going to be doing those long extended stays. You have a full oven with a 3-burner stovetop here. And then right above that, a brand new KitchenAid microwave. Very nice, stainless steel, very minimalist. I don't even know how to open it. Moving back down underneath the microwave, we have some more storage here, maybe for glasses. Anything you might need easy access to while you're cooking up, some spices, herbs, you know the sorts. Do have a trash bin here, nice stowed out of the way, and it doesn't take up any extra counter space. Deep stainless steel sink with plenty of cabinets and drawers down below for all your kitchen utensils. We're moving forward into the forward v-berth. So you can see it is an island bed, a queen island bed, so you can fit 2 people in here, no problem. Have a lot of storage underneath the bed there, plenty of drawers, as well as a standing closet here. Port window there, or a porthole window there, and then access into your anchor locker there. And then something unique about this Chris Craft here is you do have a little powder room vanity with sink. So you got a mirror here, sink, and under sink storage there, as well as a power outlet for your blow dryer, hair straightener, all the things. And then in here you do have your own guest head, day head in the forward v-berth. It is a wet head, so you do have a shower in here. Nice deep, plenty of room. You can stand up in here, no issues at all. All right, so that is going to do it for the forward v-berth. Let's go aft and take a look at the master stateroom, and we will keep filming as we head back. Your panel is under here. I do show them on all the tours just so you know where they're at on each model. You do have generator controls here and a nice new thermostat. We do have a nice, beautiful island bed. One of the benefits of an island bed like this is you can get to it from either side, full walk around, so you're not climbing over each other in the middle of the night if somebody's got to go pee or use the head or an emergency. You can get out of the bed easily. Very nice feature to have. Back behind this door, we do have a full standing closet, so plenty of storage there. And lots of storage all the way around the perimeter of this room. As you can see, these are all cabinets and drawers for your clothing. We do have windows on each side of the master stateroom that allows a lot of natural light in here. It really helps brighten this boat up. Moving over here, you've got your thermostat controls. Never have to get out of bed if you're hot or cold. And then you do have a phone here that can call up to the bridge, salon, or the forward stateroom. Nice vanity with storage behind each one of these. Ladies, that is nice to have when you're getting ready to go out at night on the town after a long day of cruising. And you have another standing locker there. And moving into the master stateroom head, very nice head, separate toilet, vanity. As you can see, nice angled mirror so you can really get in here, really get in there. And then you have medicine cabinet here for all your toiletries. And looking at the shower, it is a nice deep tub, plenty of room in there. Let me see if I can show you the whole thing. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up on camera just because of the color of the walls in here. Everything's white. Makes it a little bit tough to tell how much room, but plenty of room. And you do have a full separate shower and tub, so you could take a bath if you wanted to. You know, some people are into that, others not so much. But you do have a full shower and it is not a wet head. Very nice, especially in the master stateroom. And as we're headed out, I did want to show that the back of this door is a floor-length mirror. Very nice. I know my wife loves her floor-length mirrors. Anyways, let's keep heading back and I will poke my head into the engine room, and that is going to about do it for this tour. I hope you consider subscribing, leaving a comment, liking, all the things. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate you. Trying a little bit different format here. So you can get to the engine room from floor access here, or these stairs flip up going into the salon. So I'm going to do that, and then the next thing you see will be the engine room. All right, so here is a quick look at the engine room. This boat does have twin Cat 3208. Very nice motors. I do enjoy the Caterpillar motor. So let me know in the comments how you feel about them. There is quite a bit of room here, and the floor the floor in the salon does lift up, so it is going to give you a lot of extra room. As you can see, I am sitting in here. I'm about 6'7", so if I can sit in here, you can too. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to David Hunt. He is more than happy to get those questions answered. Thank you so much again, David, for letting me film this video. I always appreciate the opportunity, and hopefully we get this boat sold. With all that being said, I will see y'all in the next one.